In this video I'm going to show you how to make an underground tech house drop, like the upcoming artist Mochakk did in these tracks. Including these elements. So let's straight dive into it. We'll be using these drum samples from the new underground tech house pack. So link down below. And make this basic drum loop with it. With a kick, head, and clap. Then we're gonna add some more groove to it. With a closed head. Place it right here. And slightly off the grid. Then we're gonna add some random percussion to it as well. Let's use this one. Again, slightly off the grid. And then to finish it off, I want to add a reversed ride to it. Just like this. So that's it for the basic drums. Now we're gonna spice it up with some glitch loops from the pack. It's a really key element for underground tech house. Let's use this one. Just drop it in. Really adding some groove to it. Makes it way more interesting. And then to finish it off, I want to use a shaker loop. Just a basic one. And then a crash fill to finish it off. Just like this. So altogether the drums sound like this. So now we're gonna dive into the bassline. First I want to pick a preset from the underground pack. I'm looking for a preset with some higher harmonics. Like for example this one. Then what Mochakk does in the songwriting is he uses a lot of offbeat basses. So for the MIDI, we're gonna start off on the offbeat in G minor. So this will be the first riff. Then make a little variation. Finish it on the 7th note of the scale. So this will be the main bass. Now we're gonna mix it with distortion. Roll off the high ends. Make it mono. And of course a sidechain. So together with the drums, it sounds like this. Really groovy. So now I want to spice it up with the vocals. Mochakk uses a lot of glitchy vocals, really processed. So we do have a lot of vocals in that style as well in the pack.
Kiss me on the lips, cross it off your butt. Get lost, turn around, don't stop dancing to the sound. Make the walls go rumble, get lost.
Let's use this one. And mix it. So boost the high end a little bit. Add some delay. And of course a sidechain. Because we're gonna use it in the drop. So with a vocal it sounds like this. Which is a really dope foundation, but we're gonna spice it up with some more leads right now. So now we need to spice it up with some lead steps. Let's pick a preset from the new pack. Let's use this one. We're just gonna emphasize some notes of the bass MIDI. Just like this. And then the same finishing notes. And then just duplicate the Serum. We're only got a sidechain on it on the mixer channel. And pick a wobble sound from the pack. Let's use this one. Right here. So together with the bass, it sounds like this. Just makes it a little bit more interesting. Now the only thing that's left to do is arrange the drop. So just copy over the bass sounds to the breakdown. Same for the crash fill. And then reverse to it as well. Just like this. Turn the drop into an 8-bar loop. So I think we're gonna remove the crash around here. Then we're gonna add some automations on the master channel. So first I want to get rid of the low end. Right here at the end of the drop. And in the build up. Just like this. And then I want to add some more tension to the build up by adding in an endless smell. Set it to the hard mode and create an animation clip with it. And let it open up quite a bit at around 50%. Just like this. So that's how you make a Mochakk style drop. I think it turned out really dope, so let me know what you think about it as well in the comments. Besides that, if you liked the video, please drop a like, leave a comment, hit that subscribe button, and I see y'all in the next videos.